What really happened to Hiccup's leg? Most people assume it was completely burned in the explosion. No, but that's probably not what happened, because Hiccup's leg may have actually been torn off by Toothless. Here's why. The last time we see Hiccup before he loses his leg is during this massive explosion. But at that exact moment, Hiccup is falling upside down, meaning his upper body is closer to the flames while his legs are further away. So it doesn't make much sense for the explosion to have completely burned off just one of his legs. But the strongest clue comes from Hiccup himself in the second movie. While talking about Toothless, he says,
I'm actually the one who shot him down. Hey, it's okay though. You got me back. Right, bud? You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even.